Hello, everybody. My name is Yenika, and today I want you to open with me my Sephora Play Box. So this is what it looks like. Um, it looks like this month they changed the bag. It's not their usual fabric bag that they usually send. This is a plastic one. It's kind of like a Ziploc bag because it's resealable. Ugh, hard to open. So it's resealable. Oh, I smell perfume. And I don't know how to feel about this because, well, okay, I'm 50-50 because sometimes I feel like, oh, I have so many of these bags and I don't know what to do with them. Like, I've used some of them. I use them. I try to use them. But then I keep thinking if I keep getting more and more, I don't know what I'm going to do. And with the plastic ones, I'm like, am I getting my money's worth because I'm getting a plastic one that I can throw away? But at the same time, it's great that I can throw this away and recycle it. I think you can recycle it. I don't know. Yes. I spilled everything that was in the bag. Underneath there, it says, Play by Sephora loves the planet. Make sure to recycle this bag when you're done with it. So that's nice. It's nice that it's recyclable, but I'm curious to see if they're going to continue sending these kind of bags, or they just gave us a break this month and they're going to keep giving us like those little string bags. So as usual, they give us this poster with all the information in the theme of the month. This month, they are going all for the next gen beauty, which means I think it's about products that are just evolving, or yeah, just new products that maybe they offer something different. Yes. Something interesting for this month is that the card, the 50 points, I'm going to take it away. The 50 points, this month you can use it in store or online. Before, I think you could not use it online. You could only use it in stores. And I think that's great. I would love it if they continue with this, that we can use it both ways, in store or online. Because a lot of times I don't really have time to go to the store and buy the stuff that I need. I like shopping online. So it looks like we have 5 products this month and a bonus. I'm gonna follow this time. So the first item I have is the, let's see, Hungarian thermal water from Peter Thomas Roth. It's a mineral-rich atomic heat mask. I'm curious. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand I'm just curious about the heat. I want to know if there's really some heat involved. Okay. There has to be a little bit of water. Good thing I have some. So let's just spray some of it. Oh, yes. I feel it. I feel the heat. I feel the heat, and it feels so weird. Okay, the first sensation was really strong heat, and it scared me a little bit because I was like, what is it going to feel like to have that on my face? Just when you add the water, you feel the heat, and it's very interesting. It just seems like a really interesting experience. Oh, I'm excited about this. The next thing we have is the Tidal from Sunday Riley. It's their, oh man, brightening enzyme water cream. Is it a moisturizer? Yes, it's a moisturizer, and I am excited about this because Sunday Riley, it's an expensive brand. I have never tried anything from them, and I am looking forward to try this. It looks like it's a decent amount. It says 0.3 ounces. Hopefully it would last long enough for me to create an opinion about this product. Great. Next, we have the Too Faced Hungover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I usually don't get very excited about face primers. I don't know, I have a lot of them. I still haven't even made a decision if I like them or not, if I feel that they're necessary or not, but I will continue to try them. I always try to use every single one of these little items that I get sent. The next thing is, it's the, what is it? As I'm opening it, I can see in the paper that it's a nude stick. Nude stick. Nude stick is the brand. And, ooh, it's a pretty color. I assume that the shade is Kiss. Let's look at the color. It's a nice rosy, yeah, it's a nice rosy pink. I tend to go for pinks that have a little bit more brown, you know, more nude. This is a little bit too rosy for me. I would love to try it on, but I need to go to school, so I can't try it on right now. But I will definitely try it on. And then we have the Lash Craft by Sephora. This is a Sephora product. It's a mascara. Oh, packaging is cute. I like the packaging. The Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara in black. Again, I wish I could try it, but I have to go. And finally, our bonus is the Flower Bomb Nectar from who? Victor and Rolf. Never heard of them. Never heard of them. But that will not stop me from using this. Smells kind of strong right now. I'm going to let it settle for a few seconds. But I think I like it. It's flowery because it's called Flower Bomb, so it's definitely flowery, but it's a very warm kind of flower. It's a very comforting smell. I like it. I will continue using it. Yes, I like it. I don't think I've had this reaction about a perfume in a long time. Usually my nose is so ignorant that they all kind of smell the same to me, but this one really, really catches my attention. I like it. So that is it for the month of September for the Sephora play. And oh, by the way, did you guys notice that the lines are thicker now. And it's funny, and it's funny because when I received the box, I was like, oh, it's the box. Did they make the box smaller? And it really wasn't. It wasn't that they made the box smaller, because I compared it to another box and it's the exact same size. It's just when they make the lines thicker, it just makes the box look smaller. No wonder they use that same theory for clothes. Alright, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.